Hi guys, today it's on a Wednesday and I'm going to do my weekly shopping. I'm just going to do it at Quickmart and then I'm back home and I want to show you what I've got because I'm going to pick something, so I want to do it very quick. So the first thing I got is eggs, a tray. I bought greens. I bought these cakes. I bought tissue. I bought milk. I bought sausages. Bought bacon. I love lemon biscuits, Daramea yogurt. I bought 3 small packets because nowadays it's not that addictive. I'm not taking it that serious. I bought apple juice, Minute Maid. I bought Go Fruit Mojito. I bought 2. I bought mixed spices. I bought paprika. I bought full chicken. I bought rice, 2 kg. You should try this one. Yeah. I bought meat. Bought Royco cubes. Bought Nescafe. 2 Nyama bites. So for some toiletries, I bought Jik, small Harpic, this toilet color. I bought this deodorant. I bought spray for toilet, and I bought Dettol, a small one. So guys, this is for weekly shopping, yeah, because most of the things here they can't last. I'm preferring doing weekly rather than monthly because yeah, I just prefer doing that. So guys, I've just thought let me give you a small fridge tour of how I have arranged everything, yep, so that you can see before I go out. So for the freezer part, I have my sausage, meat, chicken and bacon, that part, and here I keep ice cubes. Down here I have my yogurt. This is mayonnaise. I have Go Fruit there. I have maziwa mala. I have this Nyama bite and Minute Maid iko hapo. Up here I have milk and this water. Aki maji sijawahi kunywa, imekaa hapa sana. Then I have greens, and down there I have everything including tomatoes, peppers, everything. Yeah. That's how my fridge is looking at the moment.
I don't know what you want. Let's have